Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Whitestone Dome Premium Genuine Film for the Galaxy Z Fold 3. And I just installed this on my Z Fold 3 right here, and it went flawlessly. I don't have any issues whatsoever. As you can see there's a few fingerprints on there from me touching it and stuff like that, but there are no bubbles, no creases, no, it's not lifting up anywhere. The crease right here is perfectly fine. I can fold and open the phone without any issues. And this film right here is kind of going to be your OEM replacement. So if you damage your Samsung film and you need something to replace it, you don't want to have to send your phone into Samsung, then this is going to be the solution for you. It comes with an installation jig, a little squeegee, everything you need. It's very, very straightforward. You just lay your phone in there open, squeegee it across, and you're pretty much done. So it's definitely pretty much a direct replacement that anybody can install on their own without too much issue. So this is the PET film, the PET film. So it's a pretty good high quality film. It's only $19.99 from Whitestone or on Amazon, wherever you choose to buy it. I'll leave both links down in the description below. I kind of find right now Whitestone sometimes has faster shipping with their 2-day shipping if you're over that threshold. Amazon has been quite delayed for me for whatever reason. I have the Whitestone Dome screen protector on the front here with the liquid adhesive under it, so very, very high quality screen protector on the front from Whitestone Dome as well. And they are coming out with a version 2 of their Whitestone Dome Silk foldable glass screen protector. We saw that version 1 when the fold and the flip came out, and I had it on my flip and I really enjoyed it. And that's what I was looking for here, but they actually discontinued that version 1. And I just talked to them a few minutes ago prior to recording this video when I realized that this was actually a different product. And they are coming out with a version 2 later this month. So they will be sending me some out to review. So look forward to that. I will be checking out version 2 of their ultra thin glass screen protector for the Fold 3, which I'm very excited about because it was a very nice product when I had it on my Flip 3. It felt like glass, but it was still that foldable screen protector for Samsung's foldable devices. So very, very nice. Looking forward to checking that out. But Whitestone Dome Premium Genuine Film, definitely a very cost-effective alternative if you need to replace your screen protector on your Fold 3 and you don't want to have to send it into Samsung. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Again, links will be down in the description below to where you can pick one of these up.